Yeah, great. Now we can go to blush.
Okay. It's in my same palette, but it's this one.
Yeah, that's what we call love the cheeks.
Love the cheeks.
Yeah.
And this looks really pink.
But it's actually not.
It looks really pink, but when you take it off, it's really, really not. It's really nice and neutral.
Yeah. And also the Sappho colors are very finely milled. So you need the tiniest amount. You can always add more if you need it, but it's more difficult to take it away. So just use a tiny little bit, and then we'll show you how to use it.
So I'm now using a different brush than my contour brush. It's just a blush brush.
Yeah. Just pat it onto the, yeah. Some people tend to want to run the brush across the color, and you'll get so much color and it'll be a disaster. So you just want to pat the brush onto the color and get a little, and then you can always add more, as I said.
So with the contour, you have taking us down. Now with the blush,
we take it place it on the cheekbone, and then brush up, so that you're creating, again, you're contouring, but you're contouring with the blusher. So you just brush it up onto the cheek. Yes.
So you said almost create like a C.
It gives a round, yes. So yes, there we go. And that just gives a nice bloom to the cheek without it looking artificial, and it doesn't look too heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And see how it's just contouring the cheekbone?
That's so pretty.
Yeah.
And like so natural.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm doing the same exact thing for the other side too. So I'll tap, tap, tap a little bit. I usually do like 2 taps.
Yeah,
and
whatever
then
you need.
I like to kind of like hit it out too, because I have enough makeup on my hands. And then just do the other side.
Same thing.
Again, see, like a little boop, like almost when Norma first taught me this, I thought about it like going over a hillside, like going over the hill, up and over the hill. That was a good reminder. Not too much, but just right.
Yeah. And again, you can hit the chin with a tiny bit too, and then it adds a kind of a glow to the whole face. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah. Anywhere else that you could put blush?
This sounds crazy, but sometimes once I've used the blush and there's hardly anything left on the brush, I'll just maybe just go over my whole lid, and that just nice. Again, yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
There we go.